welcome back to another episode of the Rad Skate Park Check-In. I am Vincent Basile, and like always, I have my man Anthony Biondo behind the lens. Right now, I think we're in Westchester County, and we're at the Ossining Skate Park, also known as the Gregory C. Jackson Jr. Memorial Skate Park. We're in Ossining, New York right now, and this is our 4th episode. Today, we brought Matt Wheatman with us.
Young Matt
LI, and he's gonna shred. So we're gonna get inside the park and we're gonna show you every single feature. All right, let's go inside. Come on. All right, right off the bat, you have this little, what do you call that, Ant?
It's a small box,
Little
ledge.
box? Little ledge.
It's a little higher than a curb.
So right off the bat, you have this tiny little ledge. All right, while we're standing here, I can show you the Fun Box manual pad they have right over here. Probably, you know, I don't know what I'm gonna say.
I would just say it's metal. It's got coping on both sides.
Okay, good. Yeah, so this thing looks like it's bolted down. It's metal all sides around. So probably if you're getting stuck, I'd say bring a little bit of wax and it should be fine. So there's that feature right there. I gotta loosen up. All right, this is the tiniest rail I've ever seen like built in a skate park. Check it out. Just perfect for beginners. All right, guys, here's a nice quarter pipe built right into the park. So it's a good to come up, transition over, and turn around and get right into the skate park. And you could also drop in right there too if you want to just take off right there. Since you're taking off from the quarter pipe, it's going to bring you right into this feature right here. Right here you have a nice Fun Box with 2 banks on each side, and it looks like you could grind it. So it's a higher ledge, higher mani pad as well. All right, so on the opposite side of the park, you have, similar to the other side, a quarter pipe, but you also have a little tiny mini ramp right here. It's a little tiny, a tiny mini ramp, metal with coping on it. It's perfect. All right, so right over here, you have a tiny rail. This one's movable. Oh, this thing's movable too. So, little recycled curb, little sloppy curb action over here. This bench is probably for more the intermediate and expert skaters, and literally that's the whole park. It's a really small park. We're glad it's here, and it looks like a lot of fun. And we're gonna skateboard a little bit, show you how to work these things, if my body lets me and my legs let me. What do you think, Ant?
Let's get some clips.
All right, let's get some clips.
Matt's about to light it up, bro.
Oh, he's gonna butter it up. Butter it up.
He don't got the rad butter, but he's got the cool breeze, baby.
Cool breeze, baby.
Stop stealing my line.
everybody? Ground report here. Yo, believe it or not, we all thought this ground was gonna be crappy, but like this park is pretty.
It's not bad. Not that bad at all. It's not bad at all.
It's not bad at all. It's pretty perfect. Thumbs up on the ground report. Smooth, no complaints whatsoever.
Oh my. Oh my.
Matt, what do you got to say?
Ride all day. I don't know when to go. All right, everybody, that's it for the another episode of Rad. If you haven't visited our website, go to www.radboardsports.co.
Try one more time.
www.radboardsportsco.com.
Okay, so everybody, thank you for watching another episode of the Rad Skate Park check-in. And we are now, where are we right now? Ossining? What's the name of this place?
Ossining.
Close.
Ossining.
Ossining, right?
Ossining.
It's Ossining.
Ossining. We are right now, we're in Ossining, New York. In Westchester County, just outside of New York City. Where are we right now?
We're at Gregory C. Jackson Jr. Memorial Skate Park. Rest in peace, Gregory.
Yes.
We will always remember you.
Thank you for advocating for a skate park to be put in your town. I believe that every town should have a skate park. It's a place for kids to express yourself on a skateboard. It's definitely good for the community. It's an outside activity. So yeah, as many skate parks as possible. What else, Matt?
Don't forget to subscribe to his channel. Like this video, comment. Do not comment anything disrespectful. If you do, I will steal your girls.
Oh! Please like the video. Please subscribe to the content if you guys find it
maybe I
helpful.
should have said something nicer.
Shout out to Matt Wheatman. Mr. Steal Your Girl.
Matt.
Mr. Steal Your Girl. And like I said, if you guys found the video helpful, please like the content. Please subscribe. We're on social media at Rad Boardsport Co. And if you like the merch that you see, we have a website, www.radboardsport.co. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching the video. We do it for you guys. And which park should we hit up next? Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, maybe in Second Nature?
Maybe.
Oh, no. What do you got in there?
Excuse me, I got it. Excuse me.
Just taking a call.
That's the video. And please don't forget to
Subscribe to his channel, like the video, comment, and share. And don't forget to ride all day.
yeah. Man down.
Get out the way!
Man ramp.